Pascal, did you hear the BTS new album? Oh, no. Did you listen to BTS new album? Here, listen. Which one is it?
Who are you talking to? Here, listen. Which one is it? My name is Pascal, and let me help you with that. Let's put on our learning cap, and let's get down to it. To hear is when sound goes into our ears without us trying, with no effort at all from us. Like,
Did you hear that?
I didn't hear anything. Haley, what are you watching?
Oh, I'm watching English Way on YouTube.
Oh, I heard good things about it.
Really?
To listen is when you are paying attention or trying to hear the sound. You actually need to put in effort. Like,
Pascal, I ate the best pizza last night. Did you know that? Pascal, stop playing and listen to me. Pascal, did you listen to BTS new album?
I sure did. Jimin's voice, so beautiful.
Yes.
To sum up, to hear is when the sound enters your ear without you trying. Bah! I heard someone screaming. While to listen is when you want that sound to enter your ears. I listen to my mom. Subscribe if you learn anything. Book. If you already knew everything, a like would be good. Don't forget to keep on learning and have fun.